Hello, welcome to the video. In this video, I will talk about my product. The product was created last year. The title of my product is Routing with Quagga and Mikrotik. For your information, this video is to fulfill the final project of English communication course. So let's check it out. The first is content of this product. As the title suggests, the content of this product is about tutorial using routing with Quagga and Mikrotik for network administration. The purpose of this product: first, to fulfill tasks and academic value of final project for server administration course, and the second, add knowledge for myself about routing, and the last is hopefully it can be useful for others too. So how to make it? The first, creating the network topology, and the next, installation Quagga and Mikrotik. The third is static routing, and the last is dynamic routing. Task 1, creating network topology. This is my topology for this product. It has two client and two router Quagga and router Mikrotik, and the client is use Windows XP. Task 2, Quagga installation. First, install Quagga service. You can use sudo apt install Quagga, and the next is enable IPv4 and IPv6 forwarding, like this command at the picture. And the next is create configuration files for routing protocols in the Quagga directory. And the next is creating a daemon file that is useful for enabling or disabling routing protocol service. Next, copy the default configuration file from Quagga to the created configuration file. And the next is perform owner and mode setting from the configuration file that has been created. And the last is start and check protocol service status on Quagga. Task 3, static routing configuration. First, open localhost 2601 connected to Zebra configuration and login. You can use the telnet command, and the password is Zebra. And the next is configuration IP and routing on Quagga router. The first picture is about configuration IP interface, and the next picture is about configuration the routing. Then exit telnet mode. Don't forget to save the configuration file. You can use exit command to exit from telnet mode, and you can use copy run start command to save the configuration file. And the next is configure IP and routing on Mikrotik router, like this. The first is configuration the IP, and the second picture is about configuration the routing. And the last step on static routing configuration is you can testing. The left picture is testing in Quagga router, and the right picture is testing in Mikrotik router, and this is at the client side testing. Task 4, dynamic routing configuration. First, open localhost 2602, connect with dynamic routing configuration and login. Same with static routing configuration, but the dynamic routing is use localhost 2602. And the next step is configuring RIP routing on Quagga router. And then exit telnet mode. Don't forget to save the configuration file, same with the static routing. Exit telnet mode. And the next is configuring RIP routing on the Mikrotik router, like this picture. And the next is testing. The left picture is testing at Quagga router, and the right picture is testing in Mikrotik router, and this is testing in client side. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.